Hello, good day! For today's video, I will be showing you our badminton practice that we are practicing. Char. So, first of all, we are required to have a stretching to condition our body in the game and not be hurt, and for the body to be relaxed while playing. And most importantly, to lessen the body pain to prevent us from using sick leave, to the next day because that's prohibited. Charis. So while I'm stretching, as you can see at my background, there are some players which are eager to play Charis. And so, pak. Charis. While the others choose to jog around the court for their body to warm up. And here they are. At the moment, most of the players are done stretching, so they are proceed to the game. On the first court, we have Mama Mary, Justine, Manalo, and Jade. So some are resting at the chairs. Then on the second court, we have Sergio, Alfred, Martin, and Johnson. Pak!
Oh, di ba?
Wow.
Sino pa dyan?
And on the third and last court, we have Baby Jordan, Mom Roxy, and Sir Fred and Son. So that's our player that are currently playing at the court. So we are changing players depending on their status. Whoever wins or remains on the court, and whoever defeated are replaced by the players who are on the list. We had so much fun playing the game. Actually, I asked them one by one if they want more of this, at least once a month, and they agreed and want more. Actually, they are requesting another 1 more hour, but the budget is tight, so it's strictly 2 hours of playing the game. Saya? Saya yan? Oh! Pak! Kinamang volleyball. Saya?
Ha?
Kamusta badminton? Interview nga! Kamusta badminton? Bakit? Hindi masara?
Hindi masarap.
Hindi masara? Hindi masaya?
Masaya. Ganyan masaya.
Uulit ka pa?
Yeah.
Masaya, sir?
Masaya, sobrang saya.
Ulit pa?
Kasama pa.
Yeah! Saya, sir? Uulit pa tayo?
Siyempre.
Saya? Saya yan? Okay lang? Happy? Kamusta, Miss Heart? Saya? Sarap yan? Saya. Cartoon. Good. Ulit pa? Mama Mary, masaya? Ulit pa?
Parang ganda ng
Ulit pa? Kamusta ba si Marites? Happy? Ulit pa? Ulit pa? Ulit pa? Ulit pa? Yung sa'yo nga. Sarap? Isa pa? Ulit pa? Oh, next time. Ulit pa? Saya, ma'am? Ulit pa? And that's all for today's video, guys. We are enjoying this sports and I hope this will continue every month. And see you on the next session. Bye!